Welcome to Santee, California, located about 15 miles northeast of downtown San Diego. Today we're taking a tour of the Forester Creek Improvement Project. The Forester Creek Improvement Project is the city's largest capital improvement project ever, and the winner of multiple awards, including the American Public Works Association Award for the Environmental Project of the Year for 2009. It really is amazing to come out here a number of years after this project was started and to see what we finally accomplished here. Before this project began, the creek itself was filled with trash, pretty much everything you could imagine. There was a large homeless contingency living inside the creek. There was a neighborhood in the area that was routinely flooded as the creek overran its banks. Before this project began, the creek was designed to have a concrete line channel. And then the ultimate product was an earthen-lined, self-mitigating channel as you see now, with the idea that as the water traveled from the adjoining city through the concrete line ditch, it would come through Forester Creek that's planted with natural habitat. The water would be filtered through and eventually running to San Diego River, which is on the northwest side of the creek. This project was important to Caltrans because the creek routinely overreached its bounds and flooded the neighboring area. And the ultimate plan for Caltrans and the city of Santee is for the 52 freeway, which ended at the 125 freeway, to ultimately extend east to connect to the 67 freeway. And part of our project was to assist Caltrans in building some of the fill for that project. So the coordination with Caltrans and the city was paramount and continuous.
PPS&J provided construction management and construction services for the city of Santee. The existing channel that was out here was designed to contain a 10-year flood, and to allow the freeway, State Route 52, to go through, it needed to contain a 100-year flood, which we had to widen the channel by 200 feet. This necessitated doubling the length of the 6-lane bridge along Mission Gorge Road, a major arterial used by more than 50,000 vehicles every weekday. Plus, we built a new 2-lane bridge at Olive Lane linking city and residential neighborhoods. There were wet and dry utilities from 10 providers. There was extensive coordination involved. The city of El Cajon here has their trunk sewer going through the channel. Padre Dam Municipal Water District has a lot of their major lines in Mission Gorge Road. So there was extensive utility coordination that had to take place for this project. I think the project was a success in the fact that we created a nice environment here in an urban setting. This has revitalized the area and taken numerous properties out of the floodplain.
The three goals of the project were to improve the water quality of the creek, to improve the surrounding areas, and to minimize or eliminate the potential of flood in the future. And this project definitely completed all three of those goals.